Are you passionate about bicycles and looking to turn your hobby into a thriving business? Starting a bike repair and customization shop in Malaysia could be your perfect ride to success. Malaysia's growing cycling culture, from weekend riders to eco-commuters, means the demand for professional bike repair and customization is on the rise. And that's where your dream business comes in. Offer services like general maintenance, gear upgrades, brake replacements, and even full-on custom builds. Want to stand out? Include value-added services like mobile repairs, eco-friendly parts, or vintage bike restoration. But before you tighten your first bolt, you'll need to register your business, get the proper licenses, and understand local compliance laws. That's where 3E Accounting Malaysia can help. We provide end-to-end business setup services, from SSM registration to tax compliance and accounting support, so you can focus on building bikes, not bureaucracy. Turn your love for bicycles into a sustainable business. Ride into entrepreneurship with 3E Accounting Malaysia, your expert partner in every step of the journey. Visit 3E Accounting to kickstart your bike shop today.